Your company has purchased a baler manufactured by the Philadelphia Tramrail Company. It is the finest quality baler produced, and with proper operation and routine maintenance, this baler will perform dependably for many years of heavy-duty operation with a minimum of maintenance cost. The baler should be operated by properly trained personnel only. This tape is intended for the personnel who will operate the baler. In most states, the operator must have reached the age of 18 before operating machinery. Please check your state for the minimum operator age. A safety check should be made before beginning the baler operation. To check the safety features, close the chamber door and fully lock it. Then lower the safety gate and turn the power key switch to on. Set the up-down switch to down and press to start. Raise the safety gate during the cycle. The ram should stop as soon as the gate is lifted. Do not put your hands or body into the baler. If the baler continues to run when the gate is lifted or the door is not fully closed, do not continue to operate the baler. Please call 1-800-523-3654 or 215-533-5100 in Pennsylvania, which is the number shown on the red instruction sticker on the side of the baler. Your baler is equipped with safety switches to protect the operators. Do not attempt to defeat the purpose of these important safety devices. In case of emergency, push the red stop button on the baler control panel or pull the disconnect switch handle to cut off all electrical power. After you determine that the baler is operating properly, you can prepare to make a bale. If you are making a bale of cardboard, please do not put foreign matter into the baler. This material, including wood, styrofoam, metal, plastic, and string, contaminate the bale, reducing the value and the ability to recycle it. Prepare as follows. Ensure the power key is in the off position. Check that the ram is in the raised position. With the safety gate in its up position, open the chamber door. Place a flat piece of cardboard on the bottom of the chamber over the ejecting chains. Then close the bale chamber door fully. You are now ready to begin baling. Take the following steps to make a bale. Fill the chamber with cardboard. The boxes need not be broken down. Carefully pull the safety gate down to the top of the chamber door. Set the power key switch to the on position. Set the up-down switch to the down position, which is also the auto setting. Press the start button and release it. The ram will travel downward, compressing the boxes. The ram will reverse when the full downstroke pressure is reached. Repeat these steps until the full bale indicator light illuminates, or the arrows on the ram face and the sidewall match as the ram reverses. You are now ready to tie off and eject the bale from the machine. This can be accomplished by taking the following steps. With the ram in the up position, insert a flat piece of cardboard on top of the bale. Pull the safety gate to the down position. Turn the power switch to the on position. Then press the start button and hold. This will provide a flat surface for tying. When the ram cannot compress any further, press the stop button. Then unlatch and open the chamber door more than 90 degrees to avoid breaking the chains. Slide baling wire into the slots located in the floor of the baler and back out through the slots in the ram. Tie off all of the baling wires. Position a pallet, hand truck, or forklift in front of the baler opening to receive the bale when it is ejected. Place the ejector chains on the ram ejector hooks in back of the baler. Carefully pull the safety gate all the way down. Be sure the door is open more than 90 degrees. Set the up-down switch to the up position. Press and hold the up switch until the bale ejects. Stand clear of the opening when the bale is being ejected. Remove the bale from the front of the baler. Turn the up-down switch to the down position. Press the start button and hold. The ejector chains will automatically disengage from the hooks during downward travel. Turn the up-down switch to the up position. Press the start button and hold until the ram is in the raised position. Place a flat piece of cardboard on the bottom of the chamber on top of the ejector chains. Close the baler chamber door. Now you are ready to make the next bale. Repeat these procedures as they apply. Occasionally, cardboard will become wedged in the ram area. When this occurs, please turn off the power at the disconnect switch and remove the wedged piece of cardboard for continued smooth operation. Keep the baler clean of contaminants at all times. Again, if an emergency occurs requiring the immediate stopping of the baler, please push the large red stop button. When you restart the baler, you must close the safety gate completely, and the ram will travel in the direction to which the up-down switch is turned. For your safety, please use extreme caution when operating this powerful piece of machinery. Bale carefully.